In today's session, we are going to discuss functions and matrix and determinant questions taken from these. Now, let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, let R denote the set of all real numbers. Let A, B belongs to 1, 2, 3. Determine the functions f R to R, G R to R, H R to R, given by fx, gx and hx. Hx is fx plus 1 minus gx plus 1. If fx is not equal to gx for every x belongs to R, then the coefficient of x cube in hx is, four options are given to, one of the option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025. Concept applicable in solution. According to question, functions fx, gx and hx are defined over R to R real number. Also, fx not equal to gx. Let px equal to fx minus gx. Px equal to fx minus gx means this minus this. A1 minus b1, a1 minus b1 plus 7x, constant term plus x की term, then a2 minus b2 x square plus a2 minus b2 x square plus ये कट जाएगा a3 minus b3 x cube, a3 minus b3 x cube. Now, as fx not equal to gx, fx not equal to gx, and it is polynomial of degree 3, should have at least one real root. Because imaginary roots always occur in pair. So therefore, coefficient of x cube should be equal to 0. That is a3 minus b3 equal to 0. That is a3 equal to b3. Right. Further. Now marking this as equation A. Further, to find coefficient of x cube in fx plus 1 minus gx plus 2 means, it means x cube power will occur in these two cases. No need to write these terms. A3 x plus 1 whole cube plus x plus 1 whole 4, ये आ गया, माइनस जी में, इसमें क्या है, इसमें भी सेम आएगा, b3 x cube, b3 x plus 2 whole cube plus x plus 2 whole 4. Right? Now, coefficient of x cube in this case and in this case. इसमें तो आएगा a3 plus 4c4, 4c0, 4c1. 4c1 into 1. That is A3 plus 4 minus इस केस में आएगा B3 प्लस 4C1 इंटू एक्स क्यूब हो गया, ये एक्स क्यूब हो गया, 4C इंटू 2 ये एक्स क्यूब हो गया। तो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब भी आएगी ये B3 plus 8. On simplification we get A3 minus B3 plus 4 minus 8 according to equation 1. This is equal to 0 plus minus 4. That is minus 4 is the correct option. Minus 4 is the correct option. C is the correct answer. In this case, we apply the binomial expansion a plus b की power n nc0 a की power n plus nc1 a की power n minus 1 b की power 1 प्लस 1। यहीं पे हमारा काम खत्म हो गया, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question is, let the set of all relations R on the set A, B, C, D, E, F such that R is reflexive and symmetric and R contains exactly 10 elements be denoted by delta. Then the number of elements in delta is, you have to fill in the blank. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025. Its answer can be given orally, but I will explain the detailed concepts so that you can understand very well. Number of elements are 6. Number of elements in the set, given set is 6. If we form a matrix of 6 by 6, the number of elements will be 36. A11, A22, A33, A44, A55, A66, right? फिर A21, A12, A21, like this. Means out of 6 diagonal elements, we form the pairs 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. That is AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF. 6 elements, 6 elements are for reflexive. 6 elements are reflexive. And R contains exactly 10 elements. Means 4 elements. 4 elements are to be chosen. That is 2 pairs of type A21 and A12. So number of such pairs will be such pairs available will be equal to 36 minus 6, 30 divided by 2. 15 pairs will be available. 15 pairs will be available to have. Therefore, 2 pairs are to be selected. 2 pairs are to be selected to be this then 15C2, that is factorial 15 over factorial 13 into factorial 2, 15 into 14 divided by 2, 105 is the fill in the blanks answer. Right? Means 105 will come here is the answer. Now I will tell us orally. 10 elements, 6 pairs selected, remaining are 30. 30 means 15 pairs. Out of 50 pairs, we have to select 2 pairs. So that is the answer. Right? Next question. Hello students. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these are the playlist going to be very important for all entrance examination, medical and non-medical. These are the sample papers, complete detailed solutions available on the website sethyswiftlearn.com. Going to be very important. Please visit the site and have the solution. Now let's start with the question. Question is, consider the matrix 200020003. Let the transform of the matrix X be denoted by xt. Then the number of 3 by 3 invertible matrices Q with integer entry such that Q minus T equal to QT and PQ equal to QP is. 4 options are given to, one of the option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025. Now, according to question, it is given that Q is invertible. Invertible means determinant Q is not equal to 0. That is, Q inverse exists. Q inverse exists. Also, according to question, Q minus T equal to QT. This can be written as Q minus 1 T equal to QT. Taking transpose of both sides. Taking transpose of both sides. Q inverse equal to Q inverse. Also, इससे भी हम कर सकते हैं जैसे Q square equal to I, or you can say property you know, A into A inverse equal to I. One is in reverse of the inverse of the other. तो ये आ गया हमारे पास, और Q into Q transpose equal to I आ जाएगा. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Qt equal to A inverse, that is also orthogonal matrix हो गया. This is a Q into Qt transpose equal to I. Now we will consider the matrix Q. To find the matrix Q using the formula to find Q of order 3 by 3 using condition PQ equal to QP. Now let's move further. Now to find matrix Q, first find PQ. PQ is 2000003. It is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix में क्या है? Diagonal matrix is square matrix इसमें diagonal elements are non-zero, बाकी जीरो हो जाते हैं और इक्वल भी नहीं होते जल्दी. जब इक्वल होते हैं स्केलर मैट्रिक्स, जब वन होते हैं देन आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. लेट ये P है, ये Q हमने लेट कर दिया. A B C D E F G H I, इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया हमने, ये आएगा 2A 2B, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम फर्स्ट रो, सेकंड कॉलम फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम, 2D 2E 2F. CG, 3H, 3I. Now, find QP. QP equal to ABC, DEF, GHI. That is 200,020,003. On simplification, first row 2A, first row 2B, first row 3C. ये आ जाएगा 2D, 2E, 2F, 2G, 2H, 3I. Now, according to question, PQ equal to QP, it means सारे एलिमेंट्स आपस में सेम होने चाहिए तभी मैट्रिक्स इक्वल होंगी. तो 2A, 2A, 2B, 2B जो सेम नहीं है तो 2C इक्वल टू 3C. जैसे 2C इक्वल टू 3C, C इक्वल टू 0. जो इक्वल नहीं है वो एलिमेंट 0 होगा. मीन्स C इक्वल टू 0, C इक्वल टू 0, G इक्वल टू 0, H इक्वल टू 0, I इक्वल टू 0 नहीं होगा. C, G, H and F इक्वल टू 0. F, ये 3F आएगा ना. C, G, F इक्वल टू 0. तो मैट्रिक्स क्या रह जाएगी? Therefore Q मैट्रिक्स विल बी A, B 0, C किस लिए 0 होगा? A, B, C, C, ये C 0 होगा ना. फिर ये आ गया DE, DE 0, फिर G, G and I. This is Q matrix. Now Q matrix is known, P is known, Q is known. Now we'll apply the conditions to find the number of matrices. Determine Q should not be equal to 0. That is, इसके थ्रू एक्सपेंड किया तो I A minus DB should not be equal to 0. A minus DB should not be equal to 0. Now to find the number of matrices. Now to find number of cases of matrices. First find Q into Q transpose equal to identity. Order 3. Order 3 by 3. Order A, B 0, A, B, C, D, E 0, 0, I. इसका ट्रांसपोज कर दिया A, B 0, इसका ट्रांसपोज रो D, E 0, फिर इसका ट्रांसपोज कर दिया 0, 0, I, 0, 0, I equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. On expanding, multiply कर A square plus B square plus this will come out to first row, first column, then first row, second AD plus B 0, AD plus B and D square plus E square 0. Then this comes out to third row, first column, 0, 0, I square. On simplification, this comes out to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, comparing, so A square plus B square equal to 1, D square plus E square equal to 1, AD plus BE equal to 0 and I square equal to 1, that is I equal to plus minus 1. 2 cases हो गए. 2 cases जो भी cases आएंगे, and also determinant Q should not be equal to 0, that is I AE minus BD should not be equal to 0. Satisfying these conditions, so we take A, B, D, E. I every case 2. इसके पहले 4 केस बनेंगे, फिर इसके 4 केस बनेंगे. 1, 1, 0, 0. -1, 0, 0, 1. Then -1, 0, 0, -1. फिर इसका एक वो कर दिया -1, ये हो गया 1, 0, 0, -1. 4 केसेस. सिमिलरली ये 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, -1, 1, -1, -1, -1, 1, 1. 4 केसेस ये हो गए. 4 केसेस ये हो गए. और ईच रो के लिए 2 केसेस ये हो गए. तो टोटल केसेस हो गए 4 plus 4 into 2, that is 16 matrices are possible to satisfy all these conditions, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.